Hi, my name is Brandon Wolkers and I'll be your instructor for this video.
This class benefits the Sales and Service Cloud. For the Sales Cloud, using social media for Salesforce will help you develop a better social media strategy. You could update your status on Facebook, Twitter, and Chatter all at once, which makes placing ads on Facebook or Twitter easier. And Chatter will help you increase productivity and get live updates from your team and coworkers. And for the Service Cloud, you can import questions from Twitter into cases to be able to push answers from your knowledge base back to your social media presence. You could also collaborate with coworkers to get instant responses via Chatter, and use predefined messages set up in Salesforce to send to your social media channels. In this class, you'd learn about integrating Salesforce with Twitter and Facebook, and we would also explain how Facebook, Twitter, and Chatter work within Salesforce. You'd also learn how to set up, import, and work with social media data within your Salesforce instance. Then you could also solve cases that originated from Facebook and Twitter. You'll also learn how Chatter can improve your company's sales and support teams. Then we'll go over specific social media dashboard elements. In this tutorial, you'll learn the Chatter basics. Chatter is one of the most effective ways to communicate between your team and other members of your organization. It looks familiar because Chatter uses functionality similar to Facebook and Twitter. In newer versions of Salesforce, Chatter is turned on automatically. But in older instances, Chatter needs to be turned on by an administrator in the back end, which will also update the theme of Salesforce. Just to mention another great feature of Chatter is that you could invite people that are not users of your Salesforce to join into private Chatter groups where they can communicate with certain members of your organization to follow leads, records, and statuses that pertain to that particular group for free and without the need to buy additional licenses. When you first log into Salesforce, you will see a Chatter section on your home page, which is a miniature version of the full Chatter page. Let's click the Chatter tab to view the full app. From here you could see your Chatter feed, recommendations, trending topics, your status, personal messages, and Chatter filters. Your status is to let others know what you're currently working on, your goals you've accomplished, thank yous, or to ask a question among your peers. Examples would be working on the Johnson proposal, we just hit 20,000 for the Jacobs account, thank you to Karen for working overtime to get this accomplished, and could anyone help me find the Schmidt forecast? You could even attach links or files in Salesforce or from your computer referencing your current projects. This includes reports and websites. Similar to Twitter, you can mention a coworker in a post by using the @tag, and then it will do a lookup of the user as you are typing. Also similar to Twitter, you could add a hashtag to a post to create a topic to talk about. You could then drill down into the topic to see what other coworkers are saying about the subject. You could also see trending topics in your organization on the right. You could comment and like other coworkers' statuses similar to Facebook. Show your enthusiasm, expertise, and answer questions this way. Following records is a great way to keep up with activities and updates. This could be used for records that you own or records that are important to you. Recommendations show you popular leads or accounts to follow within your company and team. If these records don't pertain to you, you can click the X to close it or to look for additional recommendations that you don't currently follow. Lastly, we'll talk about private messages. When you click on the Messages tab, you can send and receive private messages between you and specific members of your organization. You could use this to have a private conversation with a coworker or a group of coworkers.